Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Five of Stars, Page of Suns in reverse, and Prince of Suns. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, in your work or in your relationship today, so you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are a visionary, inspiring people. So the way you are very creative, talented, and the way you implement those talents in your work or in your personal life, people see you as someone guiding others, someone setting an example, and they look up to you for guidance, help, or support in any way. And you are someone really honest, truthful. So whatever you think, you speak that truthful words from your heart. And you are someone who is really a creative person who has many creative skills, and that may again be the reason for success you are experiencing in your life today. So some positive progress is that because of the way things are in your situation. But for some of you, I see that maybe in your situation today, there are certain things that you cannot avoid. It may be because of someone in your situation. So they are creating something, they are creating some problems. Though you are a very wise person, you are unable to overcome these hurdles because of this person in your life today. So some inevitable circumstance is causing a lot of anxiety, humiliation. Maybe they do not respect you, they do not respect your love or your truthful intentions you have towards them. So this person is someone really close to you. You cannot avoid them, but they do not have that understanding towards you. So some kind of difficulties you are seeing in your situation today, guys. And this person may be influencing, trying to influence you in a very bad way. So they are suggesting certain things, maybe against your love, against your relationship, or certain things in your work. So this person is simply a bad influence in your life. You are trying to avoid them, but you are unable to do it. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Scorpios, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have Four of Spheres. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you are in a particular position. Maybe you are helping this person or this person is helping you. Maybe with the previous cards we saw someone giving you troubles or someone making your situation unbearable and a lot of troubles in your life. Maybe this person is trying to dominate you or control you in some ways. But this person you love, they are helping you, guys, today, or you are helping them. So these energies may be vice versa. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Seven of Moons. So in your work situation today, guys, Scorpios, you have some plans and dreams for your life, but you are not making enough efforts towards those dreams. So if you want to manifest those dreams in your career situation, you need to be practical, make efforts, and be grounded in that reality. So only then you will be able to taste success, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new, and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream, or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening. And this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today. And we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So with this card, guys, in your situation, it just means that we need to see things differently. So maybe we need time alone, maybe. So withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So, when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So, you need to be really what to say, if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective, see it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, you need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So get that clarity. So that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for y'all, for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.